first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 9 ladies dancing, 8 ladies dancing, 7 ladies dancing, 6 ladies dancing, 5 with a shout, you better not cry, you better not, in a pear tree. On the 9th, on the 8th, on the 2nd, the horse with bells of me, here comes one of these, on the list of 5, la, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, come a wassailing of and they're right, content with bass and partridge in a pear tree. On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 kites, 11 tall, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
I made it out of clay. One's dry ready. A dreidel I shall play. Oh, dreidel. Dreidel. What? Oh my God. I'm so sorry, guys. Sorry.
On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me
On the 12th day, my true love gave to me 12 drummers drumming like Olympus above the Serengeti.